Hi guys, good to see you again. Today I will show you how to make and use the present perfect continuous tense. To make the positive or affirmative form, we need a subject. For example, I, the present perfect of the verb to be, which is have been or has been, and the ing form of a verb. For example, swimming.
I have been swimming. You have been swimming. He has been swimming. She has been swimming. It has been swimming. We have been swimming. You have been swimming. They have been swimming.
Notice that we use has been with he, she, or it. To make the negative form, we need a subject, the present perfect of the verb to be, not, and the ing form of a verb.
I have not been playing. You have not been playing. He has not been playing. She has not been playing. It has not been playing. We have not been playing. You have not been playing. They have not been playing.
It is important to remember that in negative sentences we use not after have or has and not after been. To make questions, we need the present perfect of the verb to be, a subject, and the ing form of a verb.
Have I been sleeping? Have you been sleeping? Has he been sleeping? Has she been sleeping? Has it been sleeping? Have we been sleeping? Have you been sleeping? Have they been sleeping?
Notice that in questions the subject comes between have or has and been.
To make WH questions, we start questions with question words, such as how, where, or who. What have I been listening to? How have you been doing? Where has he been playing? Who has she been working for? Why has it been crying? Why have we been lying to them? What have you been building? Who have they been talking to?
And now let's talk about how to use the present perfect continuous tense. We use it to talk about unfinished actions that started in the past and continue in the present.
I've been working here since March. She's been reading this book for ages. They've been sitting here for 2 hours.
This use is quite similar to how we use the present perfect tense. The difference is that the present perfect focuses on the result of an action and the present perfect continuous focuses on the action itself. You should also remember that we don't use state verbs with the present perfect continuous tense. We also use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions that are finished and have a result in the present.
I've been swimming, so my hair is wet. Her eyes are puffy. I think she's been crying. We've been cooking, and that's why everything is dirty.
And now let's move on to the exercise. can watch this playlist if you want to learn more about present tenses in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!